Your AI agent starts every session from zero. gbrain gives it a memory. A local brain, ready in 2 seconds. No server to run. 2 commands to wire it into Claude Code or Codex. And it is the same brain Y Combinator's Gary Tan built to run his own agents. Say you have a meeting with Alice tomorrow and you ask what you need to know. Most tools hand you 5 pages to go read yourself. gbrain reads them for you and writes the answer. Who she is, when you last talked, the 3 things still open between you. Every claim cites a source page, and this part is the differentiator. It tells you what it does not know. 6 weeks of silence on Alice gets flagged, not hidden. Here is the clever part. Every time a page is written, gbrain pulls out the people and companies it mentions and draws typed edges. Alice works at Acme. The pricing check connects them. No language model call, just pattern matching on every single write. So a question like who works at Acme stops being a similarity guess and becomes a graph hop. On the project's own benchmark, the graph puts the right page in the top 5 31 points more often than vector search alone. The system of record is plain markdown in a Git repo. You own it, you can grep it, you can walk away with it. gbrain syncs that repo into Postgres for retrieval. On your laptop, that is PG Lite, Postgres compiled to WebAssembly, 0 setup. For a team, it is real Postgres with PG Vector. Both engines implement one contract of about 47 operations, and the CLI and the MCP server are both generated from it. Run it under a full agent and it becomes a daemon. Every message gets scanned for things worth keeping. Every answer checks the brain before any external call. Every write links itself into the graph. Then a dream cycle runs overnight. It dedupes people, repairs citations, and hunts for contradictions. Tan runs his own agents on this. He reports a brain of 146,000 pages and 24,000 people, fed by 66 cron jobs. Even his phone calls land as pages. If you want the whole autonomous setup, you do not install gbrain. Your agent does. Running OpenClaw or Hermes or deploying OneFresh, there are one-click templates for render and railway. Then you paste a single instruction. Retrieve and follow the install file. The agent creates the brain, asks you for API keys, loads 43 skills, and wires up the overnight cycle. The project says about 30 minutes, and you only answer questions. And you do not need any of that to get the good part. In Claude Code, it is 2 commands. Init builds the local brain. 2 seconds. No Docker. No server. 1 MCP add, and your coding agent can capture thoughts and query everything you ever told it. Codex is the same shape. If your brain already lives on a server, 1 connect command points your laptop, add it, and smoke test the token. Cursor, Windsurf, Claude Desktop, and ChatGPT connect too. No agent at all? It is still a good CLI. 1 button install pointed at your notes folder and start asking questions. It also runs as a company brain. Everyone queries the same memory, and each login sees only its own slice. The team first tested every read path for leaks and reports 0. MIT licensed, TypeScript, and it all runs on your hardware. So if your agent keeps asking you things you already told it, this is the fix. Give it a brain, and every day it knows you a little better. The link is on screen. New repo tomorrow.